Unlike building architecture, where walls run vertically from one level to another, planning site walls is often based solely on surface elevation marks on a 2D view. Using Revit as a 3D parametric modeling tool can help us visualize the design and make sure the wall heights are correctly planned. But when we find a mistake, we have to manually change the design, which can lead to a massive time loss. To solve this issue, we created the Arrange Wall tool. Once the walls are correctly located in a plan view, you can easily divide them and assign a height to each part. Just select the walls and click on the Arrange Wall command on the Environment tab. Now, you can set the parameters of height, foundation depth, etc. Once you click OK, Environment will automatically analyze and determine the surface elevation on both sides of the wall centerline. Then, it will divide and modify the height of the wall according to the parameters you entered. To complete the project, we usually add some fence or railing on top of the walls. This can be done manually part by part, but using another environment automation can speed up this process as well. Select the chain of walls and click on the Wall Railing command. Now, just select the type of railing to fit your design. We use one railing type as capping and another type as the fence. These elements are dynamic and will update if you change the wall design. Being able to properly document your project is an essential part of the architect's work, and when it comes to walls, it's even more important. You can create a wall section elevation to fit your standards by using the Environment Wall Layout tool. After selecting the wall, specify the front side you wish to present in the section elevation. Environment will now create a new elevation view presenting the unfolded wall. Now, all you have to do is adjust the graphics and add information as you see fit. And there we have the complete workflow of wall design and documentation in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video.